Hey fantastic you, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are going to do a ring pour today. We're going to use some nice fun bright colors. I've got cadmium yellow light hue, pyrrole red, dioxazine purple, cobalt blue hue, and light green permanent. These are all Liquitex colors. And we're going to layer them in this cup. So I'm going to start with the yellow and with the green. I'm going to try and go for about 3 layers. So I'm going to get that done and then I'll bring you back. Okay, there's our cup all filled up. Started with yellow, ended with green. We are going to be pouring on a 14-inch canvas. As I said, this is Liquitex paints. And I have mixed them 1 part paint to about 1.5 parts pouring medium. Pouring medium is 60% Elmer's glue wall, 40% water, and I made them slightly thicker because I don't want my colors to blend. I want them to stay as separate as possible. So let's get started. The green and the red are our dominant colors. I had about 500 grams of mixed paint. Just gonna move that a little bit. So we had a little bit of blending of the colors that you can see there. You're never gonna fully get away from it, but the thicker the paint, the less they will blend. But as you're doing the circular motion, you are mixing the paint in your cup. So keep that in mind. So I am torching, even though I've let my paint sit for almost 2 days to let as much air come out just because it was a thicker than normal mix. So, but we're going to spin this out. There you can see the lines kind of opening up there. It's very nice. I don't want to lose all that red in there, but I'm going to lose a decent amount of it. Getting some, they look like cells, but they are just air bubbles. There's no silicone in this painting at all. But I am going to torch again. Sorry, that was just my torch falling over. I must say I am liking the look of the cells on here, even though that was not my intention at all. Just cute little pops of color going throughout. Couple more spins and we should be over our edges. We are having a little issue right there, so I've got a little bit of paint left over. Just did a little drop there, but hopefully that will get spun off. I'm really loving that yellow, orange, and red that we got going on over there. We got a little bit more on our edges, but I don't want to lose that red going on there. So I'm going to clean up my edges, I think, with paint that's gone off on the bottom. But before that, I am going to zoom you in so you can get a better look, because I think this looks really nice. I'm actually really happy with how this one turned out. So don't go anywhere. Okay, all zoomed in. What do you think? I really, really like how this one has turned out. I like my accidental cells that have popped throughout the painting. I think it just adds a little bit extra. I really like the three-dimensional look that we're getting. It's almost like looking into a cavern or something. But my favorite part is this yellow, orange, and red that we've got going across there and a little bit there. Really happy with it. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.